Imagine a child sitting alone and feeling I am not good enough because the child is constantly being compared to their siblings. The child feels that their parents find pride in having the brother or sister, and this child starts feeling why I am not like them. This emotional storm is faced by many children silently. Let's take Alia Bhatt character in Dear Zindagi, where she always feels crushed when she was compared constantly with her brother. Her brother is a person who has always fulfilled parents' need by checklisting all what they wanted. So, what was the result? She started hating herself and she started running away from her parents. So, what best can be done in that situation? Today, we are going to see how we can help this sibling comparison situation. Myself, Rohini, your natural frequency parenting coach. Siblings are different, they have their own strengths. But when parents start to compare unintentionally, they start planting the seed of insecurity and resentment. Now, the child feels the pressure to meet out the unrealistic expectation. Not only that, it also affects the relationship between the siblings and weakens the connection between the parents and the children. This constant comparison makes the child believe that their self-worth is tied to achievement, and they start measuring their self-worth based on external validation. This leads to low self-esteem, anxiety. Now, what can be the solution? Number 1, celebrate individuality. Each and every child born on this earth have their own unique strength and have their own unique personality. So stop comparing them and accept them as they are. Number 2, build inner confidence. Encourage the child for their efforts and not for their outcomes. Let the children know that mistakes are part of their learning and growth. Number 3, unconditional love. Show your child that your love is not dependent on award, achievements and grades, but focus on their strength, kindness and personal growth. Remember, raising your child is about giving them the confidence to love themselves and not pushing them to meet out the society's standard. A child who is accepted and valued will always grow up to become an adult who is secure and fulfilled. Let's stop comparing our children and start celebrating our children's unique journey on this earth. Kindly make sure that you share this video to your spouse so that they also stop comparing their siblings. Like this, more videos are upcoming for you in our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Myself, Rohini, your natural frequency parenting coach.